Hi guys, I'm Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today is one of those dumb little tricks, little tip or trick for you. You know, whenever you go to some of the takeout places and they have these aluminum pans that have these cardboard lid on it like that, and then the aluminum pan has been bent over it to keep it from coming up, and you had to straighten it up and pop it out. Well, at the local dollar store, they have those pans, 3 of them for like 85 cents with the lids. Well, I found that those 8 inches are perfect to drop into a number 8 Dutch oven and act like a liner. So when I'm baking certain things in there, I can have something I can just lift straight out, like casseroles or meats or stuff like that, and leave it in the pan and leave my Dutch oven relatively clean. But it's these lids that I want to talk about, and I'm going to get up close and let you see one right quick, because see how they fold flat, and yet when you open it up, it's an aluminized disc. It means nothing's going to saturate through that. Cardboard would, but not that side. Now, carrying this in a cook kit, 3 of these drop in where the skillet goes, etc. Blackie, what would you use with that? This is one of those extra hands that you need when you're cooking something. Now, let's say you're going to cook link sausage first, short pieces of it, and then you're going to clear the pan out to cook your eggs, etc. Well, you ain't got any handy place to lay it down. Ta-da! Open it up like a taco and lay the sausages in that, and you can sit it between 2 pieces of firewood. Keep it clean, keep it out of the stuff, and that will keep it clean. See? And it weighs nothing. When I get done, I can throw it in the fire. Now, can I? And it get rid of it. Now, could I use it as an emergency signaling tool? Of course, it'd do that. But at the same time, I can open this up, like whenever I've cut vegetables, not like diced up onions, and I need to move them onto something to make room before I add it in. You just need those extra hands when you're cooking. See, this makes a quick extra hand that folds up to nothing, and with just 3 of them can slide real easily into a pack, a canteen kit or whatever, to be an extra little place. Yes, in an emergency, I could lay that out and actually use it like a little plate to put something up here and eat off of if I had to. But I don't think about it for that. I just think of it a clean place. Now, you know I carry folded up aluminum foil. Anyway, for that very reason, when you're doing a lot of cooking in the field and I need a clean place to move something for a minute before it goes in the pan, or, you know, I need to dice up them onions and add them at the end or something like that. See, having aluminum foil or something like this works really good for that, especially since this is burnable when it's done. See, and it was free. Well, not. But you know what I mean. It came with the pans that I was going to use for something else. So I come up with a use for these. It's simple, it's easy, and it's quick. Just one of them dumb little tips or tricks. It will also work as a cover, because that's what it was meant for, to cover hot food now, wasn't it? That aluminum kept the cardboard from getting wet. So if I need to pull something off the fire and I don't have a lid, that's something I can lay on top to help hold the heat while I'm doing something else. Say on a cold day, keep it from losing heat quite as fast, because it would reflect heat down. Simple little idea. I bet you come up with an idea if you think about it. Put it down there in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See what you can come up with, something like this. Hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you have, please hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.